GIEESHIELD is a wading shoe that is waterproof to a certain length, and they come in many different sizes, and we're going to head to the water, put our feet in it, and see what happens if they get wet or not. They're black. They got little bumpers on the back with white etching, a nice rubber skid-proof bottom. So this way, if you're going on a boat, you're not going to slide. You can see them gripping the table right now. And they just simply slip right on over. You just put your foot in there with your sock, and off we go. They're about 10 inches in height. I got a nice size foot, and they go on real easy, and they're comfortable. There they are. Now, I'm not going to be walking all day with these, but this will do what I need to do around the marina, by the beach, wherever I need to be at. I just want to make sure that my, pants are tucked inside, and then I'm able to go do my work, wash my car, wash the boat, get into the water to grab something, you name it. So let's go into the water and see what they feel like. I'm here, going into the water. Just want to make sure my pants are up. And they're not cold. My feet are warm. They're comfortable. These are great wading boots. So no matter what you got to do, you can simply do your work. Not worry about getting your feet wet. They stay nice and dry.